I'm Angela Huffman at Quilted Joy. Let's take a look at a border design that's based on 2 passes and it relies on that cursive letter you already have in your head. It's called Loops and Diamonds. We've talked about lowercase e's before as a pretty common design, but let's look at how to spice it up. So I'm just going to go into this divider line with a little kind of a pointed stick up, and then I'm going to do a big loop and a pointed stick up and a big loop and a pointed stick up and a big loop. Now we're going to go back over the top of each of these. So that would be one way to dress it up, but we can make it even a little fancier. When we hop over the top, if we come down and make a little diamond. Hop over the top, come down, and make a little diamond. Hop over the top. Thanks for watching. I'd love to see what you're working on. Be sure to join us on all of our social media channels, and we have a lot of great tutorials and workshops for you that you'll find in our newsletter. The link is down there in the description. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell, because then you'll be notified every time we post a new video.